buy-in from large institutions and governments is definitely important. But at the end of the day, I think, we need real good use cases also, right? And a lot of the use cases for a blockchain are typically transfer of digital asset. That digital asset can be a currency. In Meridio's case, it can be a digital asset representation of a single asset or a real estate fund. There definitely will be winners and losers in the blockchain space. In kind of the early phases, we've seen companies go out and do token launches and try to raise capital. And a lot of that ended up putting, a bit of a scar on the industry, I would say. So not to call them specific losers, because they did do a lot for raising awareness. But it's important to really hone in on the use case. And that's where we'll find some of the winners tomorrow. Folks that are actually, again, not thinking about just doing a funding event with a token launch, but actually looking at the blockchain technology and seeing, where is that real world use case and where does it, how can we get it to adoption? So those blockchain focused companies will end up doing well and they'll probably be winners. We also have to look at, all the players today, right? So you have all your traditional real estate folks, you have your brokers, your attorneys, your sponsors and REITs. Some of them who are going to be a bit more forward thinking and adopt these technologies early on. They may have to, go through that painful process today, but they'll be much better positioned tomorrow as the industry evolves. You've seen folks ignore things like Airbnb and WeWork, and now look at office spaces and hotels, right? I don't necessarily stay at a hotel when I travel. I'm fine with an Airbnb. So for all the hotels that said no to something like an Airbnb, ended up, falling behind, we see something similar today. So the early adopters will be very well positioned in the future.